The magic pill that no one's talking about.
It's a weight loss craze. Right now, we're crazed about it.
You guys are crazed about it, but what you guys don't know is what you don't know, and it's what we decided we wanted to know.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
What are we talking about? Well, Ozempic isn't magic. It's not a magic pill. It's not a magic injection. In fact, it's becoming one of the most corrupt things I've ever seen in my life on earth. And I was 320 pounds and I lost the weight naturally when I was 15. I lost 160 pounds naturally with no loose skin. And your mom passed away from morbid obesity. So we've dedicated our life to natural weight loss because we know it's possible. And before this drug happened, it was possible. That's why we're talking to you guys today about this.
For every 100 stories that we see in the news, there might be one that talks about some of the things we're going to talk about in this video. And the weight loss craze that no one's really talking about is that Ozempic isn't magic. These weight loss drugs are not magic, despite what media might portray or what their advertisements show this utopic world and everyone's dancing and singing about this drug. It's not magic, folks. And in fact, people who go off the drug put the weight back on relatively quickly and sometimes even more weight than they lost in the first place. And what they're not telling you about are the dangerous side effects. The side effects that frankly we're opting into being lab rats for. Over 15 million people in the United States are taking these drugs. That's a lot of people. They don't even have the tests to show the long-term fertility. They don't have tests that show the long-term impact to your pancreas, to your thyroid, to your gut health, to your brain. We just don't have the information.
And these drugs don't fix the root problem. Like, why did the weight go on in the first place? The drug isn't going to give you that answer. That is why I feel that natural weight loss is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself, because you have to learn how to overcome the demons that are inside of you, how to overcome the problems that you face every day without using food as your coping mechanism. Ozempic just puts a blind eye over it. What are you going to do when you don't want to take that drug anymore? What are you going to do if the world somehow it doesn't exist anymore?
Yeah, you can't get the drug because they recall it. You know, what you need is a safe, permanent solution. And a safe permanent solution is what your body is actually designed to do, which is to lose weight naturally. But you do have to look at the environmental toxins. You have to look at your environment internally and externally. You have to look at your metabolic health as a whole, like what's happening in your cells. You have to really reboot yourself and get back to that when you had tons of energy and you felt like you just felt healthy. And in fact, we're all born with this birthright of health and happiness and joy, and it's right within reach.
If I knew that weight loss could taste as good as it does, I would have done it a long time ago, is what I said to my mom when I started losing weight naturally without the drugs, because I tried every diet, but it didn't work for me. That is what we teach our women. How do you cook your favorite junk food at home using whole ingredients without flour and sugar? You can do it, and it's quite delicious, if I may say so. You were on MasterChef, so you know a thing or two. And mom and I have lost over 260 pounds combined, and we're helping women in our group lose weight every day, and we've helped over 5,000 women today lose weight naturally.
And the thing they're probably not talking about is that our members are getting Ozempic accusations. One of our members went on a vacation recently and she hadn't been to this place to see her family for a year, and they were in shock. They just kept looking at her and saying, we just can't believe it. And there are a lot of people who say, well, I want to eat my hamburgers and my French fries. Why can my cousin do that and I can't? That's just the way it is. You have to eat foods that your body likes. You have to eat foods that are going to encourage you to be and stay healthy. And that is the forever weight loss solution that you're looking for, that no one's talking about. It's not outside of yourself. It's inside of yourself. But you do have to make different decisions. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to support you. Join our 30-day program. If you feel like you're ready, it's only $97. If you make it to the 30 days and you fulfill the expectations, that'll give you eligibility to get into our bigger program. But seriously, we will guarantee an Ozempic-like weight loss. You will lose 8 to 10 pounds in 30 days. Sign up today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our Substack to support our mission and our work to end obesity for women all around the world. Don't forget to follow us on all the social medias down below, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We will see you all the time.